In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Replit to GitHub. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to replit.com and you want to sign into your account, and then you want to click on integrations over here on the left. And then inside integrations, in case nothing loads up, you can just refresh the website like this. And there we go, there's your integrations. You want to scroll down, and inside all connectors, you should see GitHub. So it says access GitHub repositories, users, and organizations from your apps. Click on sign in over here. And what that's going to do is it's going to allow you to connect to GitHub. Click on continue to GitHub. It's going to take you to a separate window over here where you basically have to authorize everything. So just go through this process, click on authorize Replit integrations like that. And then you have to, of course, type in your password for your GitHub as well. You want to confirm that too. And after you're done with that, you are going to be redirected. It's going to say connected successfully. And as you can see over here, my connection status is now active and I'm successfully connected. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.